Whether you're streaming, downloading, or browsing, having your internet speed right on your status bar is your secret weapon for a smoother mobile experience. It's all about convenience, making it a breeze to monitor your connection's performance, especially on limited plans. To display your connection speed on any Android status, just follow these steps. Open Play Store, then search for Net Speed Indicator. Tap on this app. Now go ahead and install the app. After you install it, just open the app. Allow app notifications permission. That's it. You will see this new real-time network speed indicator right in your status bar. It will detect your connection speed regardless if you're using data or a Wi-Fi network. Overall, showing your internet speed on the Android status bar is a convenient and useful way to monitor your internet connection and stay informed about your data usage. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.